Stop guessing and start growing. Today we're diving into the world of pole beans versus bush beans. Which one's right for your garden? Let's kick things off with growth habits. Bush beans grow in a neat, compact form, about 1 to 2 feet tall. No need for extra support, making them perfect for small gardens, raised beds, or containers. Pole beans, though, are the climbers of the bean world. These guys can shoot up to 6 to 10 feet high. Just remember, they'll need a trellis, fence, or garden stakes to keep them climbing. Now, let's talk planting and harvesting. Bush beans are the speedsters here. In just 50 to 60 days, you'll have a full harvest ready to pick. Perfect for bulk harvesting, freezing, or canning. Pole beans take a little longer, usually around 60 to 70 days. But the trade-off? They keep producing all season long. Instead of one big harvest, you get fresh beans every week. Great for a continuous supply. So which should you grow? If space is tight or you want a quick, bountiful harvest, go for bush beans. They're low maintenance and don't need support. But if you've got vertical space and love a steady stream of beans, pole beans are your best bet. Yes, they need a bit more setup, but the payoff is fresh beans over time. Whatever you choose, you're in for a productive and tasty crop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more gardening tips. Happy growing!